In this video, you'll learn how to download a Mailchimp email as a PDF file. By following these steps, you will be able to save your email campaigns as PDFs for easy sharing and archiving. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for Mailchimp. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp homepage with options for logging in or accessing your account. If you are not already signed in, enter your login credentials to access your Mailchimp account. After successful login, you will be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard where you can view your account details and campaigns. Next, locate and click on the campaigns option in the left-hand menu. This section contains all of your email campaigns. After clicking, you will see a list of campaigns that you have created. Or after this, identify the campaign you want to download as a PDF. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the campaign name. This action will reveal additional options related to that specific campaign. From the drop-down menu, select View Email. This will open the email in a new window where you can see the complete layout of your campaign. Ensure that everything looks correct before proceeding. Once the email is displayed, right-click on a blank space within the email view. A context menu will appear. From this menu, select the print option. This action will open the print settings dialog on your screen. In the print dialog, you will see options to adjust the print settings. Before saving, make sure to select Save as PDF as your destination printer. This option allows you to save the email as a PDF file instead of printing it physically. Type in a desired file name for your PDF in the designated field. Choose a name that will help you easily identify the email later. After entering the name, click on the Save button to complete the process. Keep in mind that the file size of your email may affect the time it takes to save the PDF. Large emails with images can take longer to process. Ensure you have adequate storage space on your device to accommodate the PDF file. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.